Another wonderful day, and I am back with a new video. This is D Life. You skip on board the passive D Life Express. It is Saturday. I'm chilling, I'm cooling, and I'm thinking to myself, wait a minute, it's almost the end of the day, and we haven't bought my Diamond V Team V2 to the channel. That's right, I said I was going to do it, and I mean what I say, and I say what I mean. That's what D Life is all about. Getting into projects, checking them out. If I like them, I jump in them. And this one is definitely for me and for you guys. My Diamond Team V2. I dragged my foot on it for so long, but I mean, I can't help but look at my Diamond Team and see that, you know, they're still here. And I've been getting a little bit of bear fever and clenching down on my hands and keeping my hands tight and looking left and looking right and wondering if the next thing is going to disappear, or no, I can't put my digital asset there, I can't put my XRP there, no, I can't put my seller there, I can't put my VChain there. But what are you going to do? Just keep it in the wallet and watch it devalue and just hope for the market to go up? Or are you going to strategize and try to get into some type of protocol slash project slash company that is going to be hopefully stable enough when you make it through the bear market and the winter time comes and the bears go into hibernate? Then actually, I don't know if bears hibernate in the winter, but anyway, when the bears go to sleep, then we'll be able to run and frolic and just do whatever we want to do, because we will be going back up and the grass will be green. So let's jump into my Diamond Team V2, and I'm going to give my note on it, that reason why I'm doing it, what I like about it, and yeah, live activation. So let's jump in. But press those brakes, drop that anchor. Let's jump on over here and give the passive D Life Express. You love sailing that DeFi ocean. If you like looking for those passive income opportunities, make sure to jump on board, because that is the voyage that we are on. Right now, the seas may be a little rough, but we're still keeping up, and we are going through the rough times. And the calm seas will come soon. We just don't know when. But for now, we're pushing on. And shout out to our new crew members, aka subscribers. Shout out to all the passengers, the viewers that click the video, that like the video, that comment on the video, and that will be thinking of becoming an extra subscriber so we can get to those 30 subscribers. Then let's get to 100. Then let's get to 1,000. I only can do it with you guys and through you guys. I appreciate your time. Let's jump in. So I want to go straight to the white paper and highlight quickly, this isn't going to be long like some of my other videos, what I like about my Diamond Team. Okay, first thing I'm going to highlight. Where we go? Where did we go? Boom. Why did we make my Diamond Team V2? As we have mentioned, and of course this is all previous information when the exploit happened. So they had a bad actor, and this is pretty much saying, they're thanking the bad actor for what he did, or she, and allowed them to make MDT V2, which is in their eyesight and in their background work and checks a much better protocol, and they're much more confident in its sustainability. So for a little background, if you have a unwithdrawn income ready to be claimed or reinvested, there are two types of events that can reset it to zero. So this is when the exploit happened, and they totally came in the white paper, told their members what's going to make it go to zero. Don't panic. The funds are still there, and they gave an example showing you, exactly. Look, just don't run away. They're going to work it out, okay? And the solution, here we go. To start with, the solution does not include spending the money you have put into this project to pay an extortionist, as mentioned, because they had the project under extortion, the perpetrator. As mentioned above, to solve this problem, we will be creating version 2 within the next 2 days, and we're committed to making sure that everyone's funds are safe and that they can be free of inconvenience as soon as possible. So shout out to my Diamond Team. They actually did what they said they were gonna do. I am so proud of a project when they go through uh, any rough time, any rough seas, and they can come out and they can innovate and they can literally still be there for the members that made them who they are. And it's the people and the masses, help to give you that power where you could go on and do other things as which they have done over here, for example. So that is the first keynote for me with my Diamond Team V2, sitting on the sideline watching it. Couldn't believe they came back. They did it. They said they were gonna do. People are jumping in. It was out there in the tube waves, and I just was keeping away from it because watching what happened and thinking, oh, scam, scam, like everything is scam, scam. What's working good. That's just how your subconscious goes sometimes. But then they were able to do this, and they did the piston token, and they came up with the piston token, which is somewhat like another drip clone, but my diamond team is just BNB, and this is for everybody who's new to my diamond team. And don't forget, um, always remember the DYOR, and always remember only put in what you can afford to lose in any project, whether it may seem stable or whether it may not. It's just good risk management. But I am not a financial advisor, as you do know. I'm just a skipper on board the PDL Express, sailing the DeFi ocean. So they came up with the piston token. That is something that we're gonna look at too, because Drip has its own token and its own mechanics. But piston token is my Diamond Team V2's project that is more geared towards token based miner. So this is their miner, but it's just on BNB. BNB is, of course, if you've been following me on the channel, my favorite token. BNB is what has me here in all of these different opportunities. Shout out to BNB, shout out to Binance. But right now, my BNB needs to kind of get back up there. So I'm taking a few risks, and I'm risking my BNB into my diamond team. And we'll be getting to that other little quick caveat. But first reason, now, they did what they said they're going to do, and they came out. Second reason, let's jump into how to start. Not how to, yeah, how to start. So, this is what I do like. Users are given an option to reinvest / compound, which that's what we're all about right now in this space. Compound is like the main word of this DeFi space because everybody knows that's the way to be able to grow your rewards, your token, whatever it may be, exponentially through time. So they don't have to withdraw their daily earnings. They don't have to and deposit them again in separate transactions, incurring unnecessary gas fees. In addition, at the time of reinvesting, a 5% bonus is added to the amount of the undrawn income, being compounded as an incentive to continue building the value of the project. Encourage your members to reinvest and put that capital back in. So that is the second reason. I do like that 5% bonus. Wish it was 10. Could help grow you, but that is awesome. So not only are you going to get your 1.5% daily over here, you're also going to get that 5% bonus is added to the amount of the undrawn income. So it's almost like 2% a day, like it's passive, I could say, somewhat to a certain extent. Yeah, so shout out for that compounding bonus incentives to MVV2. So that is my second reason. Now, third reason, let us quickly jump in there. Okay, so you got the referral link and you could send airdrops to your users. Users can send any amount of BNB from their wallets to users in the team or an individual member of MDT. So when it comes to, supporting, for example, one of my great subscribers, Chuck D, who gave his first contribution to this channel, and he will be going down as one of the top 10 subscribers as we do grow. And that NFT is still there, just to mention him. This is a way that I can give back to my crew members and my passengers directly or even as a whole. And I like BNB. I hope you guys like BNB also. And so when I hit goals or we're pushing to reach a certain pinnacle or a certain number or amount, then we can do that giveaway. And when we have enough BNB, then we could just continually give back, just like on a schedule. So third reason why I do like my Diamond Team V2, and also to add on top of that, that reason being is because you don't have to purchase another token in order to be able to earn the referral commission. So if you do decide to get into my MVT D2 and you use your favorite skipper's link and my buddy address, then I don't need to have that token in order to get that commission, and I will definitely be able to add that commission to my deposits, hence growing further and then giving back. And then you can also do the same thing and encourage your friends, family, crew members, passengers to do the same and give back to them. So sharing is caring, and I always watch so many other people give back, and I always imagine, man, I wish I could do that. Wow, I wish I was that much of a big influencer, big YouTuber, etc., etc. I could give back. You know, oh wow, look at that. That is such a nice referral commission they got, and look, they just gave it all away. That's just amazing. So, third reason. Now, fourth reason is I think it was in the important notes. Okay, so we get the 365%. So once you do reach that, you have to add a new deposit in order to increase that percentage. And the minimum is only 0.1 BNB. So not a high barrier to entry. Right now, BNB is at $300 odd dollars. So it's not that crazy amount to be able to get in here. And that fourth reason is that it is BNB, and BNB also has its value. So we're looking at like a token like Drip that has a low supply, and it's pretty much gone when you put it into the platform. BNB is kind of like, I want to say it's layer one. I do stand to being corrected. I've just came into the space only like 2018. So, but in my opinion, I think it is layer one because it's one of the first tokens that I ever got into being into this space. And so it does have its own intrinsic value. So as that BNB price also goes up, then you will even earn more on that 1.5% daily. Scratch your head there. So when there's a win-win, I think any situation is good. So yeah, those are my reasons. I looked at it, and of course this is all risk, high risk, because you don't know what you're going to get, and this is only community driven. That's pretty much, I'm giving to them and they're giving back to me, and it's all about sharing, quote unquote caring. So you care about your MVT V2, then you'll give back, and then they'll give back to you. So you'll never know how long it will last, but I do know that this came out around February. I want to say, I could stand to be corrected, but I think it was around February, probably early March, but definitely February. I want to go down and say February. And yeah, it's May, so possibly they could be just like the King, 365 days. So yeah, I'm jumping in. Leave a comment if you're in V2, please, and shout out me in the comments if you think that you do want me to do those airdrops, or if you have any strategies that you are using in order to maximize your earnings. But here is why I think I'm gonna also do it. I'm saving the best for last. Now this is only speculative. Pull a trusty compound calculator. We got 31 deposited, and we got a 1.5 daily percentage, and we got 738.06 compounded every day. Now, depending on the compound gas fees, then we'll know exactly, what we'll be looking at. But this is pretty much, I want to say, possibly what we can look at in 7 months, which is at the end of the year. So we get to that. We're looking at probably giving away at least $100 to $200 to any team members that join or anybody that, you know, incentivizes any of the videos. I'll probably do something like that, but this is a projection and this could be wrong, but I'm like, hell, I'm gonna take the risk to turn that 31 into that 738. And if BNB goes back to $650, woo, I think this amount will change. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. Neither am I a mathematician. Let's jump into MVV2. So, refresh. And wait for it, and refresh again. So your sponsor is your buddy link. You would put him in there. So my buddy link will be in the link should you do decide to get into MDV2, and minimum amount 0.1. It is a 10% tax upon deposit, and so there are some whale taxes over there too. You can check it on the white paper, but I think I would like to go in with probably at least 0.2. Let's do 0.2 to hopefully we can still get exactly that 0.1 out of the extra. And let's deposit. See what the gas fee will be. Drum roll. Give us not a 0.01. And that's what we always get. And that is, I want to say 12 cents. But yeah, it is what it is. We got to do it. So let's do it. All right, wait for the contract. Drum roll. Boom. Confirm transaction. Boom. And amount in BNB is 0.12. So we put 1. Oh, yeah. I guess I didn't need to do that. So right now we got, I ended up putting more. But shout out to the extra. That could have been used for compounding, but it is what it is. So payout left is 0.4 BNB, 136.59. And we got the reinvest bonus, which I will check out probably on Monday and see what the gas fee will be. If the gas fee is definitely in the zeros, I would definitely like to push the compound this every day. But you know, you have to have more BNB to keep compounding every day. So shout out to anybody who is going to get into this. Those commissions will help if you do use the link. Help to me to compound this every day, because that is pretty much what I'm going to do. Is when I just do the maybe like the 6 and 1, I'll just use that one to cover gas fees, so I could keep compounding for those 7 months. So this is my Diamond Team V2. D-Life is on board. We just made some BNB 0.000015. This is a new miner added to Miner Fridays. Make sure to leave a comment on today's video and leave a comment also on my Diamond Team V2, MDT V2. If you are in it, how far along are you? And we got some new projects coming on board that I will be previewing in the new week. So this week coming will probably be a new project alert week. Probably no updates, just new project alerts and what I'm liking and what I think I want to get into. Definitely looking more forward to, you know, low risk projects, and then possibly, you know, just kind of diversifying like that. But maybe not really trying to get to the high risk ones. So D-Life here, over and out. MD2, MDTV2. Hooked on Phonics works for me. I'm out. Be safe.